Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Classic Makeover. Today I have tried to achieve this simple and elegant corporate makeup look. So if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So if you are ready, let's begin. So first I'm going to use Light Vitamin C Facial Serum. As vitamin serum is very essential for our skin, so I use it every day morning. Next I'm going to apply sunscreen, which is a must product. You should apply it for stepping out every morning. And the sunscreen I'm using here is from Fearless Lotion Nutri Glow. It has SPF 40 PA+++ in it. I'm using here the primer from Inside Makeup Essentials to make my makeup last long. As we all know, we have less time to be ready for office in the morning. So to give it a good glow on my skin, I am using here the BB cream from Garnier Skin Naturals. And it also has SPF 24 PA++ in it. And at the same time, to moisturize my lips, I am using here the lip balm from Ayur Herbals. And to fill my eyebrows, I am using here the eyebrow pencil from Swiss Beauty in the shade 102 Dark Brown, and it is soft waterproof precision. I like to use this eyebrow pencil when I am in a hurry because it has a brush on the top of its cap and it does my job. For today's makeup look, I am not going to do a very heavy makeup. So instead of foundation, I am going to use Maybelline Newyork concealer to hide the dark circles under my eye and also a little bit on the chin areas. I'm gonna also use Blue Heaven Compact Powder to set the areas where I have concealed so that it does not crease. And then with a large powder brush, I'm going to spread the compact powder all over my face. Today I'm going to keep my eye makeup very simple, so I'm going to use a light brown kind of eyeshadow from Hilary Rhoda palette. To give a little depth on my eyes. Next I will pick this copper pigmented eyeshadow from this palette, which is almost over, and will apply with my index finger. I will use Eye Care Kajal Super Black from Mars Waterproof No Smudge Kajal 16 Hours Day to line my eyes. And I am a very much liner person, so I am lining here my eyes from a kajal pencil to give it a soft look. If you want, you can keep your eyes more simple. The mascara I'm using here is from Neon Mascara, fantastic color, land for a professional makeup artist, waterproof. As today I am not using any false lashes, so I will give a good coat of mascara. and the lipstick is from Romantic Beauty Matte Lip Gloss. It is in the shade 01 Nude Pink. Cream blush lasts long, so I'm going to use here a lipstick from Inside Matte and use it as a blush today, which will give a neutral pink glow on my skin. Also blending it with a foundation brush. And yes, I have done with a simple and elegant corporate makeup look and got ready in my own corporate uniform. So what do you guys think? Please comment me on the comment section below, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Stay safe.